Tell us about the history of your stake in Cima, because you have around 80% economic interest in this group, and your strategy is normally to take 100% of any of your assets. How did you get this 80%? Where does it come from?
We bought this project when it was still a development project around about 5-6 years ago. And at that time, it was the current structure that exists today, where we could only get an 80% interest and outside shareholders held the rest. So it's a structure we inherited. And then as we built the mine, that was our main focus. We weren't too worried about the capital structure at that time. We first wanted to prove up the mine, build it, get it to production. And at this point, we believe it's a good opportunity for us to take advantage of things as they stand and to acquire these shares, which would then give us 100%. We'd be buying effectively 1 million ounces that we don't already own at around about $400 per ounce for low-cost, high-quality reserves, which is a good price, reasonable price for us, and at the same time, it gives the minorities a nice exit at a premium.
Yeah, because I presume that the share price is fairly illiquid due to the fact that you hold 80% of it. Any indication of whether they find this offer attractive enough?
Well, the market so far has traded up in Peru. Yesterday, the offer opened and the share price tracked the offer. So, you know, the early signs are encouraging. But we have to first wait and see, because it is an offer over 20 trading days. You know, so yesterday was just day one. Markets yet haven't opened up today, of course. So we'll have to see how it goes. And it's the kind of offer where we can take those who wish to tender, those who wish to stay in the stock. They don't have to tender. They can stay where they are. Those who wish to take advantage of this cash offer at a premium, you know, can tender over that 20-day period. So it's early days. We'll have to see how it goes.
If you do get 100%, is your intention then to delist it from the stock exchange over there?
Yes, we would delist it if we got 100%, yeah.
Tell us about the Cerro Corona gold and copper mine. That's, of course, the asset of Cima. 5.3 million ounces you told us about, so 400,000 ounces a year. How does that compare with some of your other properties?
Well, if you look at Peru, it makes up around about 10% of our attributable production of the group. Because we own 80%, we're basically reporting around about 320,000 equivalent ounces. But more importantly, it comes through at a very low cash cost. The cash costs are sub $400 per ounce. The all-in costs of production, NCE, which Goldfields, as you know, is unique in reporting, are also low, around about $600 per ounce. So it is right in line with our strategy of improving our overall NCE. And as you said at the outset, we should own 100% of our operating assets where possible, because then we see the full benefits of all of the efforts we put in to drive the value. So it is an important step in helping us to improve the overall quality of the portfolio as measured by either cash costs or all-in costs of production, or NCE.
Are Peruvian producers generally lower cost than, say, South African or other African producers?
I think it depends on the kind of operation you've got. This is an open cast mine, and it's still fairly shallow with fairly low strip ratios. So the operating environment here is favorable for us right now, but it depends on the kind of operation that you're looking at. Underground operations, depending on the grade, would probably be as high as some of our mines in South Africa. So it depends, but this in particular is a high-quality, long-life operation. Now, this will be around for at least another 14 years.